I'm gonna do it again. We are currently in Croatia, heading to a mountain that we have no idea where we are going, and we are just figuring it out. So we are literally just walking with our backpacks, and this is not what Jude wanted me to do, to describe everything I'm doing, but that is what I'm doing anyway, and I don't even think the camera is on me, so we'll do this again.
Nah, it definitely would have been. Anyway, no, we're gonna go walk up that one. This one here, the ridge that goes right across. We don't know the name of it and we don't know how to get to it, but we think we found where the like the path is on like Google Maps. So we're walking to it now. 20-minute walk away, and then we'll see how far we get. Right, so we've made it to the path. We found the path. We're currently trying to walk up that thing. You can really see it. We're just gonna follow this path basically until we we'll eventually get up it. I hope.
Yeah.
That would be the
until we get up it or it defeats us.
He likes taking his photos. He has taken so many photos in the last like 2 hours. I'm the one with the camera and I've taken less photos.
I can hear you.
We're racing to the top, kind of. No! No! I've got so much more weight in my bag! No, I'm not doing that. GG. I'm not winning that one.
Too good.
Okay, so look what we just found. A dead ass axe. Can I like chop a tree down?
No, it says these trees are Asian.
Does it actually?
It actually says like they believe from.
I really want to hit
mythical
something now.
Giants.
Can I hit a rock? There's a little bit of stump here. There's a little bit of stump. It's not very sharp. Doesn't seem to be doing the job. Right, so we've made it to almost the very top of the mountain. It's up there. So yeah, and I can't lie, we're not even at the top yet and the view is already, look at that. Whoa, that's like it. Bit windy. Oh, he's still down there. I thought you were behind me. So worth it. Look at that. Isn't that insane?
Okay, that's really cool.
Look at the ridge, man. Right, we're going in the creepy church. Bailey's freak out corner. Oh, there's actual like stuff in here. There's a brush with a bag with a bunch of tissues and other stuff in that I'm not going to look at. But here there's a book. Ah. Hardly changed.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
So I actually never got to explain what happened yesterday. Basically, after we did that hike, what time did you say we got back?
We got back at around 6 o'clock.
Yeah, we got back around, around 6 o'clock. We made food, we made pasta and everything. And then, what after that? Yeah, we just chilled until about 9. And I stayed out with some people I met from the hostel, one of the guys that works here and 2 other Americans. And we just drank a couple of beers out on the front balcony.
Did you see that? They just waved at us.
Did they?
Yeah, they waved.
So and now basically we're heading to Split Main City, or otherwise known as Old Town. We're walking and it's about an hour and a half walk, so it's a bit of a trek. Thank you. Shit. We're in a bit of a pain here.
We are.
But it definitely just tells us to walk down this path, so it's not like it's not a footpath or anything. Yeah. Right, I'm just gonna quickly climb up this thing, because why not? Here we go. It's kind of coming up. I don't even know what this is, it's just a cell tower I think. But there's nothing really in it. Can you even get in? Nah, it's blocked off, okay.
Hello. Is it recording?
Yeah. I just haven't spoke to it. I don't always speak to it. Hello.
We're not talking to someone.
We climbed to the top of this weird abandoned thing. It was pretty cool.
It was.
Just kind of walking through. There's a homeless man that has set up a room in one of the rooms in his building though, and we just walked in. It was really awkward. Luckily there was no one there though. Another high point. Keep going to.
Can we get the what you called Judas shot yesterday? Can we get one here like that?
Judas shot.
George's on that cliff bit.
Oh yeah. That actually I didn't realise that was such like a cliff there. That's pretty kind of cool. Hello Connor, what have you got?
We have a Sicilian, I've said it right, pizza with, is that right? Yeah. With prosciutto and I think it was prawns.
Wait, not a lie, mine looks really boring compared to yours.
We've got a British,
just a pepperoni British, yeah.
pepperoni pizza.
Split Old Town. What time is it now? About 9 o'clock?
Yeah, about 9.
Yeah, about 9 o'clock. We've been in Split. We started walking at what, like 2?
We started walking at 2:30, yeah.
Took us ages. We probably only got to be in Split for like 4?
Yeah. No, we got
4 hours.
Like 5:30.
Oh, we're going the wrong way.
We're going to...
And now it's gonna look really weird because it's like a 2-second clip of the car driving and then just going in a thing. But I'm gonna keep recording. I'm not gonna give up. Oh, there's a fat puddle.
Maybe that's why they... No, wait.
Nah, it's
Maybe
fine.
I can't get out. Oh, you don't have a puddle?
I have a little... No, I've just got a rock climb around it. Right, so we've just been on a mission because it's like 9:30 right now.
Yeah.
And I really wanted to drink and I've wanted to since yesterday.
Dude was desperate for alcohol.
So we found...
vodka.
Vodka, yeah. So we found a shop around the corner that's open till 12. So yeah, we just found a shop and we got a big, like a normal sized bottle of vodka and 2 box of mixers for €12. Is it €12?
€12.
Which is like £10. It would usually be like £18 just for the bottle of vodka from where we're from. So that's like insane. You gotta jump. We found this little jumping spot, right? It's a hostel over there, so. Right, let me put this up here so you can see us. Bro, it's really hard to walk on these stones.
Yeah.
While like cutting your feet open.
The first guy we saw jump.
It's them guys over there. Nice little jumping session. And now I think we've got to go to some like beach boat party thing that's on at 1, so it's about 11 now.
Yeah.
Go home, get some food, and then start heading there for 12.
Half an hour bus journey there as well.
And then that's like a day thing. And then I can record a Twix bar. And
Wait, shh.
we're gonna sneak it on the boat and we're not gonna let them know. Did a trick then. You did. This is the boat we've been on. For like, what, 4 hours?
We've been on, yeah, about 4 hours.
One more. Let's put this back. Let's put it back over there. It's very cold. You're not doing it?
I'm not shit swimmer, mate, so I'd rather watch everyone else be fucking cold.
Ready? Go! Don't know why. I front flip, right? Yeah. My back fucking hurt. I killed my back. As soon as you came on the water, you just like, yeah. We do that every time. All we do is wave at the camera.
Other smiles. It's just even worse.
That's a cool one.
Oh, it's just 5-minute walk.
5-minute walk. Yeah, you went there.
It's not as sharp as it was yesterday.
Yeah. Is it flashing on the top of that? Is there a red light flashing?
Yeah.
I think I forgot to set it
No,
off.
it is flashing.
Ah, yeah, okay. Right, we're going.
Yeah.
I was like,
Hello.
I was like,
Oh, right. Did you even see through that?
okay, my back is.
Last day before these two head off. And then I'm on my own for a week and a half, so.
We're gonna lose all of your friends.
Yeah.
We're gonna be.
Right.
Boogs.
See ya.
Yeah,
Nice to meet
see
you.
ya.
Nice to meet you as well.
Nice to
See
meet
you when I
you.
see you.
I'm never gonna see you.
What was your
ever
name again? Okay, that's a big one.
Yeah, I'll give you a proper.
No, that's a big one.
What was that whole called?
Probably didn't get recorded. Probably wasn't even looking up enough to record it. Oh well. We're saying goodbye to them now.
No, have a good trip.
Bust. Yeah. Right. See ya.
Take care.
I have no idea where I'm going now, so we'll just have a look and see where we go. And see if we can get any nice photos as well while we're there. Let's go that way. Bye. So I've now walked out of Split. I can see all the alarm, I hear all the bells and that from the churches right now, which is really nice. But I'm making my way. It's a 3-hour walk back to my hostel because it's quite far out of Split. But that's if I'm walking quite slowly. If I properly focus, I can get done in 2. Just kind of waiting, taking it slowly. I really love how you've got all like the huge ass mountains, and then you've got all like these weird ass buildings with all like the weird bricks off them. Right, so we've been walking for like probably 2 hours. I think I've got about 40 minutes, half an hour left on the walk. I've not actually Google mapped it at all, so I don't really know where I am. I'm literally just playing a game of let's follow the coast, because I know that if I follow the coast left this way, I'll eventually bump into my hotel. And I know that it's in like the main kind of village area, so I can see it. I didn't have my glasses on. That's quite nice actually. Nah. Yeah, kind of. It's a bit chilly at the start, but then. It's not that cold. I wouldn't be staying in it if it was cold. Fuck. Oh my god, it's so fucking cold. Fucking hell, you lie. It's not that cold.
I kind of love it.
No, I literally was saying like
Yeah, it's a nice guy.
I buy it.